Hello and welcome to my video. If you need website traffic right now, watch this video all the way through. I really believe it can help you. My name's Seeley Clark. Watch this video all the way through. I'll be your tour guide right now. And if you find this video valuable, don't be afraid to like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this with someone who needs it, and click on that old bell icon so that you do not miss any future videos from me. So like I was saying, if you need website traffic right now, you don't need another strategy. You need people seeing what you're doing immediately. Because the longer nothing is happening, the harder it is for you to recover. So the longer people's eyeballs aren't on your offer, the more ground you have to make up. And that's what most people don't realize. They think, they think, hey, I just need to learn more. I need to tweak something. I need to wait a little longer. But waiting actually makes the problem worse because while you're waiting, none of your stuff is getting seen. So that means you're not, number one, not getting any eyeballs on your website. Number two, you're not getting any clicks, which in essence, if you don't get clicks and something to measure, you don't get any data, you don't get any feedback, none of that stuff. So the real issue is you don't have anything to work with. You don't have anything to go on to see what's working and what's not. So the real issue isn't that your offer's bad or your content's wrong. It's just that no one's seeing it. And until that changes, nothing else matters, okay? Excuse me. If you actually need traffic right now, you need to focus on one thing and one thing only. Getting your offers in front of people every single day. Not when you feel like it, not when you have time, every day without fail. Because once people start seeing what you're doing, and seeing what you had to offer, everything changes. And what that means is you're getting clicks. You start getting real feedback, real data you can sink your teeth into, and you can actually find out what works, what doesn't, and where you can actually improve. Because you can't improve something if no one ever sees it and you don't get any data to work with. That's where most people get stuck, and that's honestly where most people stay stuck. They try to keep perfecting something in the dark, so to speak. So instead of just putting it in front of people and getting data and learning from it and pivoting on the fly, they do a whole lot of nothing. So if you find yourself in that position right now, stop waiting, stop overthinking. All you really need to do is start focusing on getting eyes on what you're doing, because it's the first thing that has to be fixed. Everything else is secondary. Everything else comes after that. You need eyeballs on your offer. And that's where you would want to get a platform or platforms or advertising sources. You can plug in what you need, you plug in your link, cut it loose, and it gives you visibility on the daily. So that's what you need to do. Don't frig around, don't fart around. Get eyeballs on your website by using a platform or platforms where you can plug and play. You plug it in once, it cuts it loose for you. That way, when life gets a little hectic, you got something out there, you got eyeballs on your offers, and you have data with which to work to improve your advertising plan. So if you like this video, like I said, don't be afraid to like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share it with somebody, and I will leave below this video a Google Doc link with various advertising sources, most of which have what I was speaking about, which is set and forget traffic. So you're going to go in there, you're going to look around, use what they have to offer, banner ads and everything like that, and certain platforms in there that are very valuable. I've used them for a long time. They work well for me. I hope they work well for you. You can plug in what you need to plug in and get stuff rolling so that even while you're cooking dinner or arguing with your uncle because you can't cut his lawn or something crazy like that, whatever happens in your life, you'll have content running. So the link to that Google Doc is down below in the description of this video. And until we speak again, have a great day. Bye-bye.